If you take frequent rounds of your garden, you must be familiar with the cuts and bruises that come with it. On top of that, if you have planted roses in your garden, the risk of getting bruised gets even higher. That is why, no matter how precious your plants are to you, it is essential to take care of yourself first. We have reviewed some of the top-rated rose pruning gloves in 2022 to help you take care of your garden as well as yourself. Please see the product URL provided below the description. Please follow us on YouTube for new updates. Garden Review present top 5 best rose pruning gloves. Let's get started. Number 5. Magid Rose Pruning Gloves. If you are searching for rose pruning gloves, the Magid Rose Pruning Gloves review on our list is ideal for you. Magid Rose Pruning Gloves work like magic. The best thing about these gloves is the padded palm that provides protection against harmful stings or scratches and ensures the comfort of your hands. Moreover, the spandex composition allows the convenient fitting of the gloves. You do not have to go through the hassle of following complicated washing procedures. These gloves can easily be washed in the washing machine. They are composed of top-quality material that is 100% puncture resistant and does not let the thorns bleed you out. Number 4. Intra-FIT Rose Pruning Gloves. The next product we have got on our list is the Intra-FIT Rose Pruning Gloves. Intra-FIT pruning gloves, just as the name suggests, fit perfectly all the way up to your forearms. The extra long length of this fantastic piece of gloves ensures the safety of both your hands and arms. No matter how long the rose spines are, they cannot harm your arms in any sense of the word. Plus, the reinforced fingertips and palms shield you against accidents. Furthermore, the puncture-resistant and wear-resistant properties provide twofold protection. These gloves that are prepared from faux leather are pretty flexible to put on and take off. They also aid in the convenient movement of your hand muscles, which enables you to perform tasks other than rose pruning. Number 3. Acdyion Gardening Gloves. Acdyion gardening gloves are a beautiful sight to look at. Everything about them, from their appearance to their functionality, is beyond amazing. Be it a man or a woman, these gloves live up to their expectations. The thick cowhide leather provides premium wear and puncture resistance. Even if the thorn is as sharp as the dagger, it cannot cut through these gloves. Plus, they are designed while keeping your comfort and ease in mind. Due to this, you can efficiently perform multiple gardening tasks while wearing them. Although the material is thick enough, they provide enough breathability to keep your hands and arms cool when taking care of your plants. Number 2. Exemplary Gardens Pruning Gloves. More than 21 five-star reviews praise the Exemplary Gardens Pruning Gloves for its portability. Exemplary Gardens Rose Pruning Gloves, just as the name suggests, have set an example in the world of gardening. The 100% natural and premium goatskin ensures the ultimate protection of your soft hands. The puncture resistance tendency keeps the sharp parts of plants or thorns from hurting your skin. Furthermore, they are flexible and pliable enough to help you perform other tasks like seed planting without any trouble. You don't have to worry about any skin reactions, even if you have sensitive skin. The plain and smooth lanolin texture keeps your hands moisturized and safe from itching due to dryness. No rose spines can pose any threat to your cherished hands and arms anymore. Number 1. HANDLANDY Rose Pruning Gloves. The HANDLANDY Rose Pruning Gloves are the best rose pruning gloves you can buy this year. HANDLANDY Rose Pruning Gloves are what you have been looking for all your life. The pigskin leather used in their composition is considered one of the finest choices when it comes to pruning gloves. The hidden porous texture provides the best breathability, making pruning a lot less tiresome. Plus, it also keeps your hands cool and in a good state throughout the process. In addition to these extraordinary qualities, the 100% natural leather ensures these gloves are puncture and wear resistant. You can say goodbye to your lifelong hunt for the perfect pruning gloves, as these gloves have an extended lifespan and can easily withstand even the harshest conditions.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel for more updates.